Hello friends, I am Shalini, your IELTS expert from Astron Institute of International Studies. Well, I am back today with some handy tips on IELTS speaking. So let us start. The first tip for today is to keep talking. Well, you have to be chatty with the examiner as it is a face-to-face interaction with the British Council examiner. So you have to keep talking, you have to keep the conversation going. Also ensure to maintain eye contact with the examiner. You also have to be very confident and fluent while you are interacting with the examiner. Secondly, you can paraphrase the questions that the examiner is asking you. The examiner is going to ask you a number of questions on different topics. You can paraphrase the question to showcase your vocabulary. For instance, if the examiner asks you, "Do you like cucumbers?" You can paraphrase the question by saying, "Cucumbers, well, you mean those green, long, oddly shaped vegetables. Honestly, I don't like them much." So this is how you can paraphrase the question. Also try to focus on your vocabulary by using an idiom or two. So as we all know, vocabulary plays a key role in IELTS speaking. So we must showcase our vocabulary and try to use some good words, especially some phrasal verbs and idioms. For instance, if you are feeling nervous before the exam, you can tell the examiner that I am a bundle of nerves. Talking of cucumbers, you can also tell him that I am feeling cool as a cucumber. Let's move ahead. In IELTS speaking, we have to avoid one-word answers. So if the examiner asks you a simple question in part 1, as do you like the rains? Instead of giving your answer in a plain yes or no, you can probably say, well, yes, I love the rains because they beautify the surroundings and the atmosphere and makes everything clean, green and fresh. So that is an appropriate answer. Last but not the least, we must try to use some linking words like and, but, also, however, moreover, on one hand, on the other hand, etc. as our score depends on these words. So that's all I have for you today. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel. You can also share this video with your friends and put your comments. I will definitely come back with more handy tips for IELTS. Keep watching.